This is Helen Christopolous, a member of the class of 1925, Westhampton's ninth and largest class at that point. She is currently a sophomore and treasurer of her class. Above all, though, she is a Westhampton woman. You're probably wondering what it means to be a Westhampton woman, but what you should question are the ways in which the legacy of Westhampton women created in Helen's time are still present at Westhampton today. The legacy that Westhampton was trying to create is probably best articulated in its motto. As a women's college within a co-educational university, Westhampton College seeks to strengthen women in their intellectual and personal development, to value diversity in all its forms, and to prepare women to lead informed, purposeful lives. That's what Helen heard in her time at Westhampton, and what Westhampton women still hear. Looking at Helen's life and activities at UR, it appears as though instead of functioning as an academic institution, Westhampton served as a perpetuator of the cult of true womanhood, serving as a fast track to get young, respectable women their MRSs. In 1923, Westhampton women spent their time planning parties to play cards. This helped develop their skills of domesticity, serving on student government, which taught them to be submissive, starting and carrying on Westhampton traditions, and going to church every Sunday. Most importantly, though, meeting lots and lots of boys. On October 6, 1922, the University of Richmond hosted a student government reception in an attempt to unite the student governments of both Richmond College and Westhampton College. Taking place under the date tree, there were 9 parts of the program: eyes, faults, man, politics, women, friends, war and peace, love and lovers, and the grand final date. Each question was designed to narrow the pool with which individuals were talking, with the ultimate hope to end up with just one person. As time passed, activities changed, but the sentiments of Westhampton remained. Traditions have developed over the years, and others have faded, but 2 remain that reinforce the same idea of femininity that Helen lived with. Proclamation Night initiates first-year women into Westhampton. It takes place in Cannon Memorial Chapel, a religious space that symbolizes piety. The first-year women wear white to symbolize their innocence and chastity. 2 years later, Westhampton juniors participate in ring dance. This was the same time that Helen herself and many of her friends were married. In both ceremonies, the women wear white formal gowns, are presented by their fathers, and receive rings. Today, ring dance serves as a reminder that Westhampton women are still being primed for their future roles as wives. As time marches on and we continue to see ourselves as a progressive campus, the shocking reality remains that as the surrounding world changes, Westhampton College continues to cling to their defining characteristics. These are the traditions that continue to reinforce the ideal that was presented to Helen, the ideal of being a pure, devoted, and religious wife. Send women to school at a standard college for women, and we'll be happy to do what's standard for women. Find a man, and maybe, just maybe, we'll learn a thing or two about economics or some other academic nonsense while we're at it.